Hello and welcome to the OneTab stand at Green Live in Westfield, London. This is what OneTab is. The idea is that you have one bottle that you use for an entire lifetime. You use one tablet to fill up 750 ml and you're good to go for as long as you need it. The main one that we talk about is the multi-purpose. This is the one that can handle everything. This can cover all of the services in your house. So lime scale is notoriously difficult to get off. It's pretty efficient stuff. So I'm going to take my glass cleaner, which is this guy, and I'm going to apply it to this to get rid of it instantly. So now your kitchen's got mud on it. It's in the wood grain. That's the hardest thing because now you have to lift it out of that wood grain. With the grain of the wood coming off, no problem whatsoever.
I'd like to introduce to you our new product, which is Cruelty 9. And what this is a mix of a disinfectant and a multi-purpose cleaner as well. And I'm just going to douse them in the Cruelty 9. And disappear. I mean, that is amazing.
So your main enemies, lime scale, food, mud, all sorted.